All right, I'm back. Hey, welcome to Erie, PA, where the skies are gray. Do not judge a book by its cover. All right, this house has been vacant for 2 years, or a year and a half or so, but I'll tell you a story about that couch in a second. But when it was being lived in, there was a whole lot of smoke, cigarettes. So, and I don't know if you would call this hoarding or just, so here's the story with this one. Picked it up off a wholesaler, getting a good deal on it, but this whole kitchen's gonna get demoed and we're gonna put a brand new kitchen in. It's a 2-bedroom, it's gonna be a 2-bath right here in West Mill Creek, Northwest Mill Creek. Beautiful area. I actually grew up not too far from here on Ardmore. This one's located on Oxford Drive. Nice hardwood floors. That couch that you saw there on the front patio had to get out of here because sometimes, with smoke, fabrics such as couches and that carpet there, really hold the smell of smoke. So I've had the windows out and already I see a difference, just letting this house breathe. But besides that, this house is actually in really good shape. I'm excited to take this one on because it is going to be a little bit more of a rehab than what we're used to doing. Here's the bathroom, obviously. Looking for there's my light switch. All these light switches are like really high, it's weird. Okay, everything's gonna get gutted there. Probably end up doing a tile tub because we got this beautiful window here you can look out. Beautiful fenced in yard. And just, when you're showering, don't forget about your cigarette. I'm not gonna make this video too long because I want to keep your attention. But this is fix and flips. This is awesome. This is what I like to take on. This is what I like to find in a house. And then you get beautiful surprises like that. Crazy. Is that a hornet hive, beehive? I don't know. It's disgusting. I'm allergic to those things. Yo, brand new windows. Brand new windows all throughout the house. If you can look out here, I don't know if you can. Let's see here. Look out there. New air conditioner. Again, big ticket items are pink, ugly crown molding, but all of that is cosmetic. Wondering what I should do with these floors here because these floors in these bedrooms aren't that bad. So thinking about refinishing them, or we might carpet them. Had a good experience with the carpet in the bedrooms on our last flip. No idea where the switch is for this room. So we got 2 bedrooms. If you're looking to downsize, if you're looking for a nice starter home, this is you. We're gonna be pricing this guy around $130. Again, everything's gonna be brand new. Kitchen, bathroom, flooring, paint, lighting. It has a new furnace. We're gonna put a new roof on it. I'll go outside here in a minute. All this paneling, we're gonna take out. We're gonna put drywall in. So obviously this is, I don't even know if that's able to come back. If we cannot refinish these floors, we'll most likely go with luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the entire first floor, all matching one coat. Just really opens it up. This is a first floor, 1 story. Look at this view, man. You're backing up at the airport back there, so you have a lot of privacy, ton of land. If you look right there, that's where your fence is. I'm gonna get the landscaper out here. We're gonna clean all this up. New roof is gonna be going over all of this. I forgot to do the dishes. Oh man, all right. So if you think this is a mess, All right, so this is kind of like, I'm actually really happy about this basement because it's dry. But is this hoarding? Is this not giving a heck? Pink walls, but it is a dry basement, so that makes me really happy. Bathroom number 2, might be framing that in here. Okay, you got the shower there, sink, toilet with toilet paper on top of it. This is a great basement. So this thing's gonna get all cleared out. And here's the story with this house. So the seller was not living here anymore. Her sister was living here. Oh wait, really quick, before I tell you the story, there's some pretty cool stuff here, like this tanning bed. Okay? If you're looking to get those if you're looking to get those rays in, since we're not gonna see any sun here for the next 5 months, come pick this up. It's yours. It is free. Either that or we're going to get the scrappers coming. So here's the story. These ladies, widowed. They don't have any help. This is hard for anybody to get all this stuff out of here. This is just years and years of just... water tank and furnace are almost new. So AC, furnace, and all that good stuff. I know I'm getting distracted with my story here. But anyways, they just didn't have the time to... get all this stuff. So I'm being kind enough to give them till the weekend to come in and get as much stuff as they can. But I was, just kind of, I was willing to help, but I told her if whatever's left over here after Monday, we're going to be getting a dumpster and it is going to be getting gone. Say goodbye to those awnings. We're going to have to add a new window there. The garage and everything is in good shape. Probably end up putting a new window over there, just cleaning that up. It's just, this is the flip business. This is what we look for. We look for houses like this. Shouts out to the wholesalers that helped us find it. This is going to be great once we get Palomino Landscaping over here to clean this up. I said I didn't want to go this long on the video, but there's just too much on this house. Like I said, we're going to add a new roof. We're going to be putting every bit of like $30K into this house. Maybe less, hopefully. I'm going to get rid of this door. I really don't feel like there's a need for it. Because it doesn't even want to open. So I got to go the other way. But this patio is really cool. This overhang here, we'll paint that up real nice. Let's go back in here. She said she was going to come in. I have these doors open because just need some of this stuff to air out. And then once that clean out starts, one second. Once that clean out starts, that's going to take a day or two, hopefully, depending on how much muscle we have. My goodness, it already smells a whole lot better now. So that's the house. Garage. It's gonna need some TLC as well. Woo! Yep. Get that dumpster ready. Man, bring this house back to life. Beautiful area here, West Mill Creek. We actually grew up. My parents' first house was over there on Powell Ave. Excuse me. Had a new roof. 3911 Oxer. Hey, if you really want to be a sport and you want to help these ladies a little bit like I am, they might need some help moving some of this stuff out. Like I said, I'm not trying to be a bad guy here. Most people would probably just change the locks, but I'm trying to do the best I can here and help as much as I can. So I'm willing to let her come in with her family. You know, they have a trailer here to move stuff out. But come Monday, we are officially starting our rehab. As you can see, we've got some work to do. So be on the lookout for this for updates. And I thank you for tuning in. Shouts out to you if you're following in your dreams. All right, everybody.